guys, we are in Hoi An, Vietnam. For
They're not full.
we are in Hoi An, Vietnam.
What?
Foldable.
Yeah.
So kind of
Those
cool.
are cart. Cart, right?
Yeah.
I think. So that would get destroyed in one day with Ken.
Can't. Yeah. Guys, we are in Hoi An, Vietnam, and right now we are here walking down the river where they actually do the lantern, and it's kind of cool, you know. I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, I think this one here is, yeah, less people. Oh, kind of cool. It's cool now because it's dark. Guys, there is just a lot of people here right now because it's Sunday and I've seen a lot of tourists through here. And I did some shopping. I bought some souvenirs back in the Philippines. And this place is kind of cool, you know. Those lanterns, it's cool too, right? Yeah, this makes like this the lanterns and the vibes make it Vietnam, and it's kind of cozy as well. So yeah, I'm really happy that I visit this place because it's worth visiting. So from Da Nang to Hoi An, we took a Grab which cost 400,000 Vietnamese dong, and it took us almost like 40 minutes from Da Nang to Hoi An. So yeah, guys, this place is just amazing, you know. And you've seen, if you come visit Hoi An, guys, you will see a lot of old place. And then we actually visit the Japanese covered bridge. I had some photos here. So yeah, this is busy right now, guys. It's actually busy. Look at that. Look at how many people are here.